students, in this video we are discussing about important problem from mensuration. That is, if a sphere, a cone and cylinder have same radius and same height, then find the ratio of their volume. Okay, we have to find the ratio of volumes of sphere, cylinder and cone of same radii and same height. Okay, so first I am writing the formulas. Volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Next, volume of cone is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, this is V1, V2, V3. We have to find V1 is to V2 is to V3. Okay, we have to find ratio of their volumes. Okay, and also given that these three solids have same radius and same height. Let's see. Once look at the diagrams: sphere, cylinder and cone. And in the problem it is given that the radius are same. Let us take radius of the base is smaller and radius of the base of the cone is also smaller. Now, before finding the ratio is nothing but the comparing the similar quantities. Okay, first we don't know what is the radius and what is the height of the cylinder and cone, but I'm comparing the height and radius of these two solids with sphere. Why? Because the height of the sphere is equal to diameter. The height of the sphere equal to diameter, and diameter is nothing but 2 times of radius. And since the height of the cylinder is equal to height of the sphere, we can write height of the cylinder is also equal to 2 times of radius. Similarly, height of the cone is also equal to 2 times of the radius. Okay, now we can find the ratio of their volumes. Okay, V1 is to V2 is to V3. V1 is nothing but volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube is to volume of cylinder pi r square h. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, now in place of r we can substitute to r in place of h. Sorry, we have to compare the same quantities. So I want to convert all these variables in terms of small r. H we can write 2 times of radius, and here also h equal to 2r. Next step, 4 by 3 pi r cube, 2 into pi r square into r, 2 pi r cube is to here 2 by 3 pi r square into r equal to pi r cube. Now we can cancel pi r cube in each term. Okay, next we remains with 4 by 3 is to 2 is to 2 by 3, and the ratio must be in integer form. So we can multiply all the three numbers by 3 without loss of generality. Okay, so 4 by 3 into 3 is to 2 into 3 is to 2 by 3 into 3. Without loss of generality, we can multiply by the same number. So 3, 3 and 3, 3 get cancelled. So next step, 4 is to 6 is to 4 is to 6 is to 2. And again we can cancel by 2 table. So 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay. So the ratio of volume of sphere and volume of cylinder and volume of cone is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 1. Here the ratio of volume of cylinder and cone is 3 is to 1 and ratio of sphere, cylinder and cone is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay.